In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate email notifications in Monday.com. Monday.com, fast and easy. Monday.com is a powerful project management tool that helps teams collaborate more efficiently. Automating email notifications within Monday.com can be a significant time saver and help ensure that team members always stay informed and on top of their tasks. So let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to set this up. First, you'll need to navigate to the Automate section of Monday.com. This is where the magic happens. You can think of automation as a set of instructions or recipes that your system follows to make your workflow seamless. To start, open a new custom recipe. This will allow you to create tailored automations that meet your specific needs. The next step is to set up a trigger. A trigger is an event that initiates the automation. For our purpose, let's use the trigger when status changes to stuck. This means that anytime the status of a task switches to stuck, it will kick off the rest of the automation process. This is particularly useful for identifying bottlenecks in your workflow and immediately alerting the relevant team members. Once the trigger is in place, you need to define the action the system should take. In this scenario, the action will be to send an email notification. This step ensures that whenever someone updates a task to indicate it's stuck, an email will automatically be sent out, keeping everyone in the loop. This can help speed up resolution times and keeps the team engaged and informed about the project's status. Now that we've set up the action, it's time to choose the recipient of the email notification and craft the message that will be sent out. It's essential to select the right individual or team to receive these notifications to ensure they reach the intended audience. You'll also want to be clear and concise in your messaging to convey the necessary details effectively. Consider including information like the task name, the issue at hand, and any next steps you want the recipient to take. This way, they have all the relevant information at their fingertips to address the problem promptly. And just like that, you've created an automated workflow that handles email notifications for status changes within Monday.com. By following these steps, you streamline communication and improve project efficiency, benefiting both your team and the overall progress of your work. Remember, once the workflow is set up, it runs on its own, requiring little to no maintenance from you, allowing you to focus on other tasks and goals. So give it a try and start exploring how automation can enhance your team's productivity. Thanks for watching.